Tēnā koutou te whānau nau mai, hara mai hoki mai, ki tēnei whakāturanga Kiimai Māori Aoitepö, te Umuariki tēnei me ngā mihi, nunui ki a koutou katoa, tēnā koutou katoa te whānau. Hey whānau, wiki tua waru, welcome back. E waru ngā ringa o te wheke, 8 arms on the octopus, feels like it at this time of the year. We're ramping it up. We're getting towards the end of our challenge. Well done to everyone out there. If you've had to put them aside, kei te pai. We've put them across there on the YouTube playlist, and you can come back to them when you're ready. But look, whānau, we're so close now to finishing off. Just a short clip here today for our 2-for-1 special. We sent out the audio, the little tutorial clip there to you. Today we're going to have a little look at a bit of Mahi Räkau. Just some short stuff really, whānau. The arapiki tauira, we'll just consolidate on that. Maybe a little Waiata, bit rusty on it. And yeah, a little look-see towards the future. Last 2 Karakia coming up. It's going to be sweet, whānau. We're nearly there. Hiki te wero, pick up the challenge. We're nearly there. We're going to help each other. Alright, even if you're coming to this later on in the piece, some people are joining us only just starting the challenge now. Doesn't matter where you are, where it is for you. Take your time, 1 week at a time, 1 karakia at a time, 1 step at a time. Whānau, I'm going to see you over on the Mahi Räkau. It's 7:15. This has got to be up at 7 o'clock, but I'll see you when we get there. 'Tis perfect throughout all time, the wairua, as they say, so we'll trust in it. I'll meet you there. Mauri ora whānau. Kia ora whānau, welcome back. Here's our Mahi Räkau, our pikitia. Just a bit of a brief thing there, just for some people who have just come on board. We've got up here Rangi Nui and Papa Tuanuku. But I think for all intents and purposes, if we look at this karakia, it's called Honour and Glory to God. So just for this picture, whānau, in our mind's eye, maybe this might be heaven and earth. However you want to look at it. This little white one up here, sometimes we use that for eo, but in this context, we're going to refer to that as te atua. In another karakia, that's e tō mātou matu e te rangi, our Father who art in heaven. But today, that's te atua, te atua. There's only one of those on the table depicting te atua. And wherever you do see it replicated, that's te atua again. Okay? Okay. Anyway, we're just going to rock into it. Do the ngā turi a te Ataarangi, sorry. Whakarongo, titiro, Koröria. I'll take my time and give you time to follow with me. Okay? Kia rite, here we go. He Honöre, he Koröria, ki te atua. Korero mai. Ka pai. He maunga rongo ki te whenua. Ka pai whānau. He whakaro pai ki ngā tāngata katoa. Ka pai. Hanga e te atua. He ngā kohou. Ki roto, ki tēnā o māta. Whakatōngia tō wairua tapu. Hei āwhina, hei tohu I a mātou. Hei akonga hoki I ngā mahi I roto I tēnei wānanga. E rongo, whakairia ki ronga, kia tīna, haumi e, hui e, tāiki e. Ka pai whānau, Hey, just while we're there, and I've probably got a few people out there going, hey, it doesn't go like that. Look, it goes how it goes for you, okay? Some people have adapted them. Ka pai? I'm going to put out another clip in a day or so for you to see with our Waiata, and that's the one that was adopted by our Ataarangi whānau, and that pertains to the Ataarangi method. Ka pai? So just be a little bit flexible here, and we'll see. Okay? That's enough for now. I'm going to go through it one more time. You can just follow with me this time, and then we're going to move on and have a look at the Tuhinga. Ka pai whānau, here we go. He Honöre, he Koröria, here we go. He Honöre, he Koröria, ki te atua. He maungarongo, ki te whenua. He whakaro pai, ki ngā tāngata katoa. Hanga e te atua, he ngā kouhou, ki roto, ki tēnā, o mātou. Whakatongia tō wairua tapu. Hei apina, hei tohu i a mātou. Hei ako ngā hoki i ngā mahi i roto i tēnei wānanga. E rongo, whakairia, ki runga, kia tina, haumie, huie, tai ki e. Ka pai whānau, kua pai mo tēnei wā, ka kite e te taha. Kia ora koutou, welcome back. We're looking at our written document now, our PDF document, and some really good kōrero coming in, and whānau taking the time to write it out. Some of the whānau I'm hearing are also writing it out for their family members and friends, and what they're doing there is consolidating their knowledge, all the additional learning they'll be getting out of that. It's going to pay off in the long run for their written, their tahatuhi. So tino pai koutou, just going to roll through it here. Hey whānau, as you know also, and there might be only new people looking at this clip, so have a look at these introductions. There's an introduction relative to each karakia on each page, and all those things are going to help you grow your reo, so you learn the whole document and karakia, how to introduce it, how to acknowledge the whānau. Yeah, and have a look at these. Some whānau have been running them off and laminating them. Yeah, do what you want with them, and even the karakia pictures. You can run them off, blow them up, put them in your kura, or wherever you want to, if you want to, and if you don't, that's cool too. What I want to say is it's been a great journey. It's been a great journey, and what's transpired and come out of this is, yeah, you guys have inspired me to put together this document. But what I want to say is, if you're enjoying it and you want to use it, just hold off over the last 2 weeks here, because what I've managed to do now, we're going to make this into a live document. We're going to turn this into a live, like an ebook, but it'll be live, okay? So once you've got that document, you'll see I'm working on it the next 2 weeks, and then I'll have the back cover and we'll have the whole document together, and you'll see it'll come to life for you. But I'm still working on that, but you might want to hold off each week. I'm just tweaking it a bit, and all the karakia is just the introductions, and things are slowly changing as we go. Anyway, whānau, that's enough on that, on the tahatuhi. Hey, I think we'll have a Waiata, or we might call it a day for there. Kia ora whānau, here we go for a Waiata. But I think I've said it before, I'm going to say it again, and don't shoot me. When you're doing these things Māori, you got to think Māori. And one thing about being Māori is you got to be flexible. So sometimes you sing a song and you say, hey, those words were different. Like when we did the Lord's Prayer, and then sometimes you learn the prayer like this, but the song's a bit different. That's because there's different denominations, different people writing a song. Ka pai, I'm going to sing a song here tonight. Some of the words are in here, and I'll make some of them up and I'll help you along. I'm going to put a clip out tomorrow too that's got another rangi, another tune to it as well. The more the merrier. Here we go. He Honöre, he Koröria, ake. Ake ake, ake ake, amine, amine. Te atua, te atu, te piringa, te piringa, toku oranga, toku oranga. No complaining. He honore, he koröria, maungarongo ki te whenua. Whakaro pai, whakaro pai e, ki ngā tangata katoa. Ake ake, ake ake, amine. Te atua, te atua, te piringa, te piringa. Toku oranga, toku oranga. Toku oranga. Amene. He honore, he koröria ki te atua, he maungarongo ki te whenua, he whakaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. Hanga e te atua, he ngā kouhou ki roto, ki tēnā o mātou. Whakatongia tō wairua tapu, hei āwhina, hei tohu i a mātou, hei ako hoki i ngā mahi, i roto i tēnei wānanga. E rongo, whakairia ki runga kia tīnā, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Ka pai whānau, remember there's all sorts of versions out there. Just take it, embrace it, learn it, adapt it for you to suit your situations and wherever you are and what feels right to you. Mauri ora whānau, take care, see you soon. Put another clip out just to support this, and that'll be about it for this week. Next week's coming up, a nice gentle one, the end of our challenge, and just a little thought towards the end, the last one, Karakia Tuangahuru, the 10th one, nice and easy. Just have a look at the names of each karakia as we did them. Bit of a heads up. See you there, whānau, take care. Manaakitanga a te runga rawa, kia koutou katoa.